Hello everybody! Today's session is on present perfect simple. Koha, a clear eshte of the verb think. Mendoj. Mendoj. So I have thought. On kam mendoj. You have thought. Tjere mendoj. She has thought. He has thought. Ayo ka mendoj. Ai ka mendoj. We have thought. Ne kemi mendoj. You have thought. You keni mendoj. They have thought. Ata ato kan mendoj. Questions, as always. If we ask question with have, we answer with yes or no. If we answer with yes, then we have the subject and have. If we answer with no, then we have no, and then we have subject and haven't. So, have I thought? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Have you thought? Yes, you have. No, you haven't. Depends who is asking the question. So it could even be yes, I have, if another person is asking you and you are responding. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Has he thought? Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. Has she thought? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. Has it thought? Yes, it has. No, it hasn't. Have we thought? Yes, we have. No, we haven't. Have you thought? Yes, we have. No, we haven't. Have they thought? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. In Albanian, we have, well, if we are talking about thinking about somebody, then we will say e, which means another for something or somebody. But if we're talking about just thinking as a concept, then we'll just say mendoj. So have I thought? So as you can see, you have a there everywhere in brackets. So basically it's the same logic. If it's for another person or someone else or something, then we have a. If it's just thinking as a process, then obviously it's just us. Have I thought? A kam menduar un. Have you thought? A e ke menduar ti. Has he thought? A e ka menduar ai apo a ka menduar ai. Has she thought? A e ka menduar ajo or a ka menduar ajo. Has it thought? A e ka menduar ai ajo. So the verb menduar is the same, it doesn't change. So in present perfect simple is exactly like in English. The verb doesn't change. A e ka menduar ai ajo. Have we thought? A e kemi menduar ne. Have you thought? A e kemi menduar you. Have they thought? A e kan menduar ata ato. Negative form, as we have said, is with not in English and nuk in Albanian. And the short form is haven't. As I've said before, that in Albanian we don't always use the short form. We may go for the long form. Unlike in English, that we go for the short form. But in Albanian, it's already a short. It's just a nuk. So you haven't thought. So I haven't thought. O nuk ka menduar apo nuk e ka menduar. You haven't thought. Ti nuk e ke menduar apo nuk ke menduar. He hasn't thought. Ai nuk ka menduar. She hasn't thought. Ajo nuk ka menduar. It hasn't thought. Ai ajo nuk ka menduar. We haven't thought. Ne nuk kemi menduar. You haven't thought. Ju nuk keni menduar. They haven't thought. Ata ato nuk kanë menduar. Or ata ato nuk e kanë menduar. So see you tomorrow in the next lesson. As always, like, share, and comment. And shihemi nesër në mësimin tjetër. Bye bye. Take good care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye bye.